What's going on, you guys? It's George. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. Welcome to another vlog. I'm a passenger right now. If you're gonna tell, Brittany's driving. We're actually on our way to this place called the Old Engine Warehouse, and it's an antique shop, vintage shop. It's a Saturday today, so we're getting our thrift shopping in, and it is supposed to be pretty lit. I'm very excited. So I have a goal today. I'm looking to get a ladder, like a vintage ladder, and I'm making a hat rack, kind of like an accessory rack for my studio. So that's pretty much the goal, and I'm super pumped right now. One, because it was just announced that Biden won, and two, because Starbucks has their holiday cups. Yes, I'm so freaking excited about that, guys. I didn't know my birthday's on Christmas, and I'm just like a huge Christmas appreciator, holiday appreciator at its finest. And yeah, I also have a Tommy bag just sitting back there because I bought something that I need to return, and they're actually a pair of women pants. I was telling Brittany that I seen these tweed pants that kind of remind me of like luxury type look. It was really cool looking. They were women's, but the fall kind of reminds me of like that, vibe. So I got them, and yeah, I have like diaper button them, so I have to return. So that's pretty much the mission for today. Who knows what else this vlog has in store. If you're interested, then keep on watching. This place is awesome. It's historic, built in 1903, and it has a lot of charm and character to it, which I'll tell you about in just a moment. When you first walk in, you're greeted by this cutie right here. Of course, I had to show him some love. He was very friendly, and I don't know whose cat he is, but I kind of wanted him. Also came across this ladder, and this would be a great example of kind of what I want to turn into a shelf. Just wasn't the one I was looking for. Can you imagine having to use this phone? Like, honestly, I just got the iPhone 12 Max Pro, and like looking at this contraption, I'm like, whoa. I don't know how this happened. I did not expect it, but I came across a vintage Tommy Hilfiger robe that's giving me complete Christmas vibes. It was 20 bucks. Unfortunately, I did turn it down. I know, big mistake, huge. So yes, this place was built in 1903, and it's called the Old Engine Works. I was calling it the Old Engine Warehouse before, so excuse me? Prior to its present use, back in 1903, this place was an old engine type of mill, and they built hoists that were used to load and unload the Liberty ships back in World War II. Then, basically 1992, 1993, it turned into the official antique marketplace for the Pocono area. So it's pretty cool. Appreciate that, right? And here lies where I found my treasure. These old shutters, which there were tons, I'm going to be going through in just a moment, are the complete vibe that I'm going for my hat rack. I want to clean them up, give them a nice color, and just make it look like, the vibe that I strive for, which is vintage, yet luxury, yet George, Schirra, me. I don't know how else to put it, guys, but brace yourself. I'm about to go through about 50 shutters. And that's how I discovered the perfect pieces. Score! I got the ultimate score. I got those shutters, guys. I'm so freaking excited. Brittany was the one that was like, do you see these shutters? And I've been looking for either a old ladder or something. I've been envisioning, guys, I want to redo my studio and do a boutique style Tommy Hilfiger closet area, and I'm super excited. I can't wait to see this come together. But ultimately, I bought knobs that I'm going to be putting on. It was either a ladder or the shutters. So I'm putting them on the shutters, and I'm going to clean and hopefully stain them this color that I have in mind. It's warm. I don't know. Guys, I have a lot that is processing right now that I want to do for this project, and I'm super excited. But unfortunately, the shutters did not fit in Brittany's car, And I'm gonna have to go pick them up later this week in the Poconos, which is not bad because then I could visit that place yet again. And I'm just so excited. I cannot wait. It is official. Biden has won his victory. Gustavo and I are actually on our way to Biden's homestead in Scranton, PA. There's a little bit of a celebration going on. People are just having the relief. Yes! I'm so freaking pumped right now. This is gonna be amazing. Oh my god, my eyes are freaking swollen AF right now. I honestly cried more today than I think that I have in the past, like, I don't even know how long, but the emotions are real. The celebration is real, guys. I could honestly feel such a sense of relief after the news we received today. It's incredible. And Gustavo and I are here, just spending time together. We have Mischief on my lap, the cats are around, we have our family, and I just feel such a sense of love right now, and such good energy and hope, and oh my god, I'm gonna start crying. I can't. Good morning, you guys. It is another day, another beautiful day in America. I can't believe I'm saying that, but it is. Thank God. So I'm actually getting ready right now, and I'm about to do my hair. I look like a rugrat right now, and Brittany and I are actually going to go to see if I can find a few more pieces for my studio. I'm very excited. I have a couple things in mind that I want to pick up today, including paints. I want to look at colors. I have like a color that I'm thinking of. It's kind of like the shirt that I'm wearing, like the slate blue that I want to do, but I need samples. I need the Sam's, guys. So we're gonna check out those. We're gonna have fun and enjoy life. So actually, in the meantime, just dropped off a few clothes at Plato's Closet. I'm really trying to like declutter my whole like closet and studio area. So in the meantime, if I can make a few bucks to, you know, invest in pieces I want to add to my studio, why not? So I am very excited to see how much they're going to offer me, and wish me luck. Every time we go to Plato's, I feel like Brittany's always with me, and we always do like a kind of like competition, like how much we're going to make, how much we're going to make. So you said what was it,
120.
120. I said $15 because they can be quite stingy, and I had a lot of J. Crew stuff, and they're kind of like weird with like casual wear. I don't freaking know, but you were closer. I made $81.03.
Wow, that's amazing.
Right? I know, so I'm a little pumped about that. I'll definitely be putting that towards revamping my studio. And hey, I mean, if you have stuff you're gonna get rid of, either donate, try to make some cash for it. Just don't throw it away, guys. Believe in sustainability, believe in, you know, being eco-friendly.
Absolutely.
And oh, I thought they were gonna hit my car. Oh my God. You guys, we are home, and I want to show you a few things I picked up today. So my goal is to get a clothing rack, but not spend too much money on it. And I kind of love this. It looks very retail, and it's like silver, very industrial, but these black plastic pieces I don't like. So what I'm gonna do is get that hammered metal spray paint from Lowe's, and I'm gonna finish this part here to make it look kind of like aged and just that look that I'm going for. So we will see that shortly. And these are only $9 at Target, so that was a score. 2 of them for $18. Not go wrong. It is a holidays at Starbucks, by the way, and I picked up this. It was only $3. It's plastic, and it is a reusable cup that changes colors. So I know they had the Pride ones out. This one is Hunter Green, which I freaking love this color. And I'm not sure which color it changes once the water like changes temperature, but love that, guys. Come on down here for one sec. I stopped at the flea market, by the way. Today's Sunday, BTW. I got this cool piece, which is like, can use it for jewelry or whatnot. I ordered vintage Tommy Hilfiger Christmas ornaments from, I believe the website was 𝗦𝗢𝗖𝗜𝗍. It's kind of like a Poshmark website. So I'm gonna use these for my Tommy studio. And I got these vintage looking type mirrors. I don't know what I'm gonna do with them or even if I like them, but they were actually free. And so was this. And I think this is pretty cool for just like throwing accessories in, maybe towels, a plant, who knows, but again, this was a free piece as well. So I like this industrial vibe and I'm sure I'll find a purpose for it. I also need to share this because I repotted a few of my plants. My birds of paradise, which was usually on top of my fireplace, got huge. It's literally massive. And my monstera was just getting out of control. So I kind of switched them up and this is what we have now. So my monstera is in this beautiful, huge pot. And of course we have Mischief. Hi, buddy. He's too booked. But we have a monstera going on. And by the way, this is a piece that I showed in one of my recent vlogs. It was a school chair. And I'm using it for this alocasia plant, which I don't know what's going on with her. She's going through the gigs. And you can probably hear my floors squeaking. It's a very old apartment. But my monstera is doing beautiful. She is huge. Gustavo, what the heck is going on here? What is that? He's drying his gloves. Those are from Peru, by the way. They're beautiful. And I cannot wait to get Peruvian garments when we travel there. But yeah, this is the monstera. She is happily in her new home. We are having Popeyes, you guys. This is actually my first experience with the spicy Popeye sandwich. We're fans of the Chick-fil-A spicy chicken sandwich. I know.
Well, I used to eat Popeyes all the time.
Not I. So I'm very excited about this. Let's do a little first impressions here. Ooh. It smells good. I'm excited. So yeah, we're gonna feast right now, guys. We're gonna celebrate. Just wrapped up Popeyes, you guys. I must say, pretty good. Bayou sauce is where it's at. I definitely appreciate the Bayou sauce. I love all things hot and spicy. Hence why my partner's Peruvian. But it's my opinion. I know the challenge is old, but I still like Chick-fil-A more. Alright guys, so we were at the Lowe's and I'm gonna check out paint samples right now and also look for a few things that I need. So let's go. I'm looking for a pendant light fixture, and this row right here has the vibe that I'm going for, minus the one on the end. I do like the open concept, so I could actually show off an Edison light bulb, and this one, the shape, the color, it's perfect. Now we are checking out the wall paint colors, and let me tell you, this Hgtv Home Sherwin collection is beautiful. I have a look that I'm going for, and I really want a dark blue, which is kind of like this, but it does have a green undertone. I want it to be more blue. That's all I have to say. This one's stunning, but it has a hint of gray, and I'm trying to get outside my comfort zone, because when I tell you that gray is my comfort zone, I have 50 shades of gray in my apartment. No joke, it's kind of obnoxious. This one, Grizzly Gray, is probably my second favorite, and I do have a first favorite, which you'll be seeing in a moment. Okay, it's right here. Dark Knight. Guys, Dark Knight is a winner. I can't. It's stunning. Moving on to the spray paints. And there's a variety of colors here, but you already know I'm going for that kind of dark brown / black color, just like the light fixture. And I feel like this one, it's definitely close, but this one right here is the vibe, guys. This is exactly what I'm looking for. It's kind of black, but dark brown at the same time. It's a hammered look. A little expensive, but her name's Amber, and I feel like we need to bring her home. this combo, this is it. This is exactly what I'm looking to create, guys. I cannot wait. Now we gotta grab some stain for the shutters, and as you can see, there's tons of options. The amount is a little overwhelming, kind of crazy, but this right here is kind of a color that I'm going for, but not so chocolatey. I want it to be warm, but not yellowy at the same time. Like this one, the honey, it's a bit too warm for me. I want it to be a little bit darker, just a tad, and I feel like I can find it. But the amount, guys, this is crazy. There she is, Miss Ebony. This is it, we found a winner. I came across this ladder shelf, and I must say I want to add something like this to my boutique style closet. I love the color, I love the size, and it just looks like it's something that's going to match everything perfectly. What I didn't love, on the other hand, was the price. As you can see, these prices are a little crazy for shelves and stuff, and if you know how to shop, you can find them for much cheaper. $129, the quality was not good enough to pay that price. You guys, I've really been wanting to test out this color changing Starbucks cup, so we're gonna do that right now that we're home and ready to get cozy. You guys, it turned red! I'm loving this. Honestly, I've never understood like the thrill of those like color changing cups. Now I totally get it. And this is kind of giving me the Starbucks red cup controversy. Do you guys remember that? Like back in the day, it was just like a solid red cup from Starbucks. I actually saved a few of them just because they were so controversial, which is freaking crazy. But beautiful, I love it. I got some pretty great stuff at Lowe's. I pretty much shared everything already within my footage here, but I'm super freaking excited for this color. So this is from the Hgtv Sherwin-Williams paint selection at Lowe's, and honestly I'm super freaking excited because it looks dark, and I always have like a very gray color palette within my home. I just love like neutrals and earthy type tones, more on the gray side. Is gray earthy? No, not really. But I'm very excited because it's very blue, it's very dark, and I feel like it's just gonna look rich. And I ordered a cord from Amazon because I'm hanging a light. That's why I got this picture. And patches, calm down. And this is just very industrial. I'm gonna add an Edison light bulb in there, and it's gonna look very sick. I'm probably gonna start painting tomorrow, and I was considering adding this footage on my vintage therapy series here on YouTube, but I don't know. I have something in mind that I may actually add to that as something that I'm making. So we will see. But from now on, what I'm going to do is just relax. I'm here with Kylie, and we're just going to enjoy the rest of this evening. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this vlog, and hopefully you're in good spirits and happy and just doing well. Hopefully, you know, things are coming together for you and your family and your loved ones, and you're just in a good space, guys. I don't know how else to explain it, but I have good vibes. I feel good energy right now, and hopefully you guys feel the exact same. But of course, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're not already, please subscribe to my channel. That'd be much appreciated. It goes a long way. Share this video and share the love. Also, do not forget to click the notification bell. That is very important. If you don't click that, it means you will not be notified whenever I upload a new video. Also, my Instagram is right here at @𝗏𝗏𝗏 if you want to follow me there as well. But until next time, and as always, say thanks, give compliments, and think positive. And I'll catch you in the next video. Bye, guys.